Hi guys, welcome to Mixed Clips and Trips. So today I'm going to do a review. iPhone or GoPro for vlogging? Which one's the best? Stay tuned, BT. So I've been vlogging for just under a year now, and I have always used my iPhone, which I thought it was pretty good. The only one negative I would have with the iPhone is it's a little bit bulky. So I'm going to do a little review. I have just received my GoPro today. It's the EK700. That's a good one. This one here. AKASO EK700. So I'm going to hook this up and yeah, see if it's worth the money. I got this with all the attachments. There was loads of attachments with it, but I'm just going to review the camera, not the attachments and stuff. I might show you them later. So yeah, I'll have a little walk around and show you, like I say, the good bits of the iPhone and the good bits of the camera, if there is any. Okay, so yeah, right. So first of all, with the iPhone, I can see what I'm filming. I can see my ugly mug. So I can see everything. No, I'm not having a guess. And I also can stop and start my recording with my remote control on my selfie stick, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so I can stop it, go to my phone, and then do the reverse flip shot, which is handy. Okay. On the GoPro, you can't do that. You just got to twizzle your stick round and hope for the best. Okay. Also, once again, you can stop and start it whenever you want to zoom in or zoom out, which is very handy. So I've just zoomed in there. Okay, so you can't see much transition. Okay. And I've zoomed back in again, so I can see everything. You know, a touch screen. I can zoom in, zoom out, everything. Back to moi. Okay. So once again, yes, it is a bit bulky, especially when you're walking through places and you want to do a bit of filming, because some people are a bit conscious with camera pointing in the face. Some people don't like it. So with the GoPro, with it being smaller, that might have an advantage there. But yeah, I can zoom all the way out with my selfie stick. And then I can stop. And then I can start again. So yeah, so with the iPhone, which I've used since day one, I don't have no problems with it, apart from being a little bit bulky. Yeah, you do flatten your battery on your phone, so you've got to make sure it's charged up. You can get an external microphone for it, so you can clip your microphone on your collar and insert one end of the phone, so that's good. So I'm going to go now to the GoPro. And yeah, let's see which one's the better. Okay, so now I am going to plug my GoPro in. So I've got to disconnect the adapter to hold the iPhone, and then I'll connect this to my selfie stick. Now my selfie stick has got a remote control on it, stop and start, but the remote control on this selfie stick does not operate that. To stop and start the GoPro, I have got a snazzy little watch. Look at that, fantastic. So you press the red button for camera, I believe, and the grey button to record video. So we'll plug this in and we'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay guys, so I am now on my GoPro. So there's no microphone I can attach to it. So I don't really know what the sound quality is like until I listen back on it. And you've got the small screen. You can see on it the screen, but obviously it's a lot smaller. Say hello, Gerald. Yeah. Okay, so when I go to twizzle round to see my ugly mug, that's just all guesswork because I won't be able to see my ugly mug on that screen. Okay, so I can't see myself, so I don't know if I'm in shot or not. Okay, so you just hope for the best basically. It's supposed to be a wide angle. Okay, so I'll just whizzle it back round again. So could I pause it? I can probably pause it to go back round. So once again, so a more cleaner transition. Is that any better? Yeah. Okay, so one advantage of the AKASO EK700 GoPro is smaller, more compact, it's lighter. Okay, it's lighter in the hand as well. Obviously with the iPhone on, it's a lot heavier. Let's say it's bigger, a bit more intrusive. People might not want to see you filming. So with the GoPro, like I say, it's a little bit more dinkier, smaller. You can probably put it in your top pocket. You could have it facing out if you wanted to, do a bit of video in that way. So that's one advantage. You can also slide it in your trouser pocket. So that's one good thing. Okay, but now I have seen other vloggers with a little woolly microphone on the collar or on the hat. So there must be some available for the GoPro. Whether there's some kind of a adapter you can plug in on the side, there must be. If you know any different, because I am new to GoPros, so if you know any different, please put a message in the link below and let me know. Just I probably am being a little bit biased, favouring the iPhone, because that's what I've been using. So that's what I'm used to. But the GoPro at the moment, I'm undecided, because I cannot see what I am filming. Once again, on the iPhone you just flick the screen over and it does reverse filming, doesn't it? You can't do that on this. Is there some GoPros with two screens on? Is there? You tell me, I don't know. Okay, so I'll flip it back round the old fashioned way and I zoomed back in again, which so I can see everything, you know, a touch screen, I can zoom in, zoom out, everything. Right, I'm assuming I'm still filming. Okay, once again, not sure. So I'll see the chickens, see how the chickens are doing today. Hey ladies. It's a bit nippy today, isn't it? It's supposed to be August, 1st of August today. Feels more like October, doesn't it? End of October, not the beginning. Yeah. So guys, it's lighter in the hand. That's one advantage it's got. So I suppose it could come in useful for some kind of filming. But yeah, I don't want to do a full half-an-hour video and find out that the quality is rubbish. So when I do my first holiday video, end of August, to Puerto Rico, Gran Canaries, I'll do a bit of both, I think. I'll mix it up a bit and see what quality I can get out of it. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this little review. So which one's best? In my opinion, iPhone. But once again, I am being biased. So I'll see what else it can do as well. So I'll just stop this. Yeah, I've pressed the remote. Is it recording? What do you reckon, Gerald? Is it recording or not? I don't know, because I can't see the screen. Okay, so I'm just pressing the old watch. I don't know what the volume is like, if you can hear me or not on the microphone. If I had one on my collar, it'd be a lot better. But I don't know if you can hear me or not until I get closer. Okay, so let's review it all back and see if it's any good. Okay, so I reviewed my GoPro footage back. The volume wasn't too bad, the sound quality was okay. The picture quality was okay. So yeah, you can zoom in and zoom out, but you got to go touching screen and it's a little bit fiddly, but you can manage it. But the volume, I use the remote control on the watch, so I managed to go, you know, about 25 feet away. Obviously you couldn't hear the volume then. It was a bit, you could still hear the volume, it was a little bit quieter. If I would have had a microphone on my collar attached to the GoPro, obviously you got a better sound quality. So if you guys know if there's any attachments you can buy for the GoPro for a cordless microphone, one of these Bluetooth ones, let me know in the comments below, please. But yeah, so up close and personal, the sound quality was good. And the picture quality was okay as well. So I couldn't complain about that. But yeah, still early days. You know, I haven't really road tested the GoPro yet properly, which I will do when I'm on holiday. Okay, guys? So, any advice you can give me, any tips, or yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Cheers. Thank you very much. I will use the remote control on my selfie stick to stop it, which you can't do on GoPro. See you guys.